Hello student, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are quite well at your home and I am also fine. Yes, in previous video we discussed about the topic formation of ions, how to form ions, cations and anions. And today we are going to discuss about how metals and non-metals react together to form a compound. Okay, with the help of making diagram etc. Okay, is it clear? So we have to make here the diagram NaCl. Okay, Na is atomic number is 11 and Cl is 17. Na atomic number 11 and Cl is atomic number 17. Okay, normal electronic configuration of Na and Cl is Na atomic number is 11, so electronic configuration is 281. Okay, and Cl electronic configuration is 17, so this is 287. Clear? This is 287. So here we have to make a diagram, a structural diagram of these configurations. Okay. Na 11 2 8 1. The structure of Na is two 8 and 1. 2 8 and 1. This is a structure of sodium, and second structure is chlorine, Cl 17 2 8 7. Okay, so this is the structure of chlorine 287 electronic configuration. In last cell, the electronic configuration of last cell, the electron present in last cell of the sodium is 1, and the last cell of chlorine is 7 electrons are present in here. So it has requires 1 electrons to it requires 1 electrons to get get stable configurations, and it donates 1 electron to get stable configuration. So here it donates 1 electron to chlorine. It donates 1 electrons to chlorine outermost orbitals, from outermost orbitals. To donate 1 electrons, it get positive charge and it get 1 negative charge, because it donate 1 electrons and it get 1 electron. So Na get 1 positive charge and chlorine get 1 negative charge, because it gains 1 electron from donating by sodium. Clear? Now, after gaining of electrons and after donating of electrons, what is the structure of an atom? This is 2 8 only, because 1 electron donate to chlorine atom, and here is 1 electron gain. So the electronic configurations become 2 8 8. Okay, so the electronic configuration of chlorine is 288 and the electronic configuration of Na is 2 8 only. Okay, so here this is plus 1 charge and here is minus 1 charge. Here is minus plus 1 charge, here is minus 1 charge. According to your book, here this is, it donates 1 electron. Okay, from your book it donates 1 electron, and so this here, so the here this is the structure after the donating or gaining of electrons. Okay, so in previous after this from after this the number of atomic number is atomic number is 11, number of proton is 11 and number of electron is 10 here. After donating of electrons, then get positive charge, so number of electron reduce 1. Okay, and here after the gaining of electrons, so atomic number is, so the number of electron is 18 here. Okay, (17) number of proton equals to 17 and a number of electron equals to 18. Okay, plus minus 1 negative charge is added here, so number of electron is 18 here, and the other position when it get electrons. Okay, after the getting or donating of electrons, the whole character of the sodium is this and chlorine is this here, and before the number of electron is 11, before the number of electron is 11, or here the before donating of electrons, gaining of electrons, the atomic number number of electron is 17 before gaining of electrons, but after gaining of electrons it is number of electron get 18. Okay, is 18, and after donating of electrons number of electron is 10. Is it clear? So it get 1 positive charge and it get 1 negative charge. Is it clear, student? So the formation of bond between Na plus and Cl minus. So NaCl. This is the structure of NaCl. The bond between the gaining of electrons and donating of electrons is formed, is called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Electrovalent bond and ionic bond. Clear? Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Is it clear? When the metals and non-metals combine together to form a compound, then it by the help of covalent bond or ionic bond. Covalent bond, not so covalent bond. Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Clear? Is it clear?